Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading out the Hexer garage and we're about to be taking the LSA 350Z out to get a little bit of wiring checked. So, a little insider. You guys already know this is the LSA 350C, blah, 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 blah. We still have yet to be able to get this thing fully tuned. One point we had an issue going on with the fuel pump. We're losing pressure, so since then I've had the fuel pump replaced. I also had a DoucheWorks hot wire kit installed on here. I've added the Walbro 525 pump on here, and I'm gonna take it to Hexa. I just want to make sure that the hot wire kit is all set up correctly. So I'm gonna have them test this out and check it, because on Sunday we actually have a dyno. I'm literally trying to get this thing at full power. We made 703 horsepower, but we had the pressure drop, and we ended up turning it down. That's why you always hear the limiter set hella low. We got 6K limiter right now. I just want to get this checked, get the wiring checked, make sure we good, and hopefully it was the old fuel pump just tapping out, and hopefully on Sunday we can get this thing at full power finally. So we'll see what we end up coming up with. We'll talk about a little bit more of this later, but I need to get ready to head out and get there. That way they can get to work. I'm also going to be running the fade back with the little 11-year-old girl she at the shop. Y'all seen was over there playing boxing. She was over there cheating, serving your boy. So I'm about to get my fade back today for sure. But yeah, anywho, man, that's pretty much the little table of context, little narration thing that we got going on. So with all that being said, let's get this cold start, get this thing warmed up, and let's get the fuck up out of here. Everybody's favorite part about the LSA 350Z videos. It's always the cold start. Right now, but I'm gonna go top this thing off, fill it up. So we got an hour drive or so this thing has horrible gas mileage, but this is definitely the car you'd be like, all right, miles per gallon. Just pulling up to my peoples at Hexa. What's up, dog? What's good with you? Where George at?
Watching his daughter.
So who doing wiring? You doing wiring today?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I just wired this up yesterday. I'm trying to get some plumbing done on it. It's just about ready to go though.
Y'all remember a couple videos ago? I was in here battling this child. This child was trying to box me. She was cheating because she was all little and compact, so the little monitors were picking her up. But hopefully she's here today because she's gonna have to run my fade. Hey, chill out, chill out, chill out. Is you ready? Is you ready?
What do you mean?
We fighting. I want my rematch. Let's go. Where's your dad?
He's at the bank.
Oh yeah, run it. I told him I was coming here to beat you up. So yeah, let me set this down.
Look at the comments on your last video. They'll tell you.
Yeah, you were cheating. You're short, compact, and the sensors weren't working for me. So today, I'm about to serve you.
Okay.
I'm about to kneel down, you feel me? And you about to catch these.
Last time you got. Yeah, exactly. Kill. He's not.
Where's the lights at? I don't need no cheating going on. Yeah, there we go.
That's lights.
Run it. Let's go. No excuses, little girl. So yeah, last time we was here, she was cheating because she was short. So figure out the trick is to feel me, get low and give her these hands like this. You feel me? She about to catch him. You about to catch him. Come on.
You gotta wait for it to load.
I think this will be cool. Not I'm gonna kneel down like this and then just feel me. I'm gonna give you the turtle hermit.
Turtle hermit. Wonder what that is. He's going down.
Hopefully y'all see this. Served.
Yeah, hopefully y'all.
Rematch. Here we go. Go.
Oh, what, you come back for a rematch?
Yep.
And I won.
I'm getting the hang of it now, though. Do a rematch.
What's up, Mike?
It's good. I came over here to punish your daughter.
You're gonna get worked.
I'm not leaving until I knock her out.
It's actually hard. She always smokes me too, so
I'm about to serve her.
I don't think I've ever beat her. Oh yeah, don't.
Get some. I figure out how to do it now.
You got her?
Yep. She's about to get knocked out again. Watch. Get some. Get some. This is it for you. Get some. Get some.
Hey, it's tied.
I'm done.
It's tied.
I'm done.
It's tied.
I'm done.
Some more.
I'm done.
Some more.
Get some.
Thumb more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb more. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater.
Feel me? Feel me? Feel me? Now back to over here. Now that I have conquered the child. Oh, where that chicken at, matter of fact? Whooped the person who whooped me last time. Now where this chicken at? You know, I came over here for violence today. Chicken? Where are you, chicken?
Yeah, we're getting good voltage on the pump, both key on and cranking, so it should be all good, like wiring wise. The one thing I noticed when I unplugged the connector, it was kind of hot. So I'm wondering because you guys got this big ass wire going into the stock wire. It might
Yeah.
not be a voltage issue, but like the fuel pump might just be drawing so many amps that it's just heating up the connector. So like maybe down the road you might have to like figure out a solution for the stock fuel basket or something like that, where we could get bigger wire going straight to the fuel pump.
Yeah.
Other than that, like everything's checking out so far. It was hot, but not like insane. Like even my car, dude, it was not starting once. And I pulled the fuel pump connector and it was like starting to melt. So there's no signs of any melting or anything like that. It was just a little hot. So
All right, we out.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's better. Run up,